Mint Corporation has a globally certified payments platform that processes over $1 billion in payrolls annually. Mint provides financial solutions to over 400,000 unbanked migrant workers in the UAE. Let's speak to the Chairman and CEO of the Mint Corporation, Vishy Karamadam. Vishy, welcome to SmallCapPower.
Thank you.
We know that in the last 6 to 8 months, the most important exercise at Mint has been your debt reduction process. How is that coming along, and can you give us an update?
So we are glad to say that the debt reduction process is complete. We have closed the transaction, as a result of which Mint's balance sheet is significantly strong, and we are well positioned now to invest and grow the business.
Okay. You're also now looking to raise capital?
Yes. So right now, we believe that there is a significant amount of business developments yet to come within the next few months in Mint. And given where the capital market situation is and our current share price, management believes that now is not a good time for the shareholders to get diluted with an equity offering. Hence, we are doing a debt offering to preserve the value for the shareholders.
Where do you see Mint in the next few years? How do you want to take the company forward? What's the business strategy today?
So Mint is already emerging itself as a leader within UAE, as a leading innovative payments company. UAE is a 400 billion plus economy, and UAE is also, if you will, the trendsetter in the Middle East. So through UAE, we have an opportunity to access $1 trillion economy within the Gulf countries. So that is going to be the primary focus of the UAE business, to continue to grow, strengthen, and expand within the region. But apart from that, the public company have identified a couple of strategic opportunities which we are actively pursuing. One, which we have already announced, is an opportunity to acquire a fully functional, commercially operating Indian payments company, which have customers and technology and requires a bit of capital to scale up. That is a significant opportunity in itself, and India is a fast-growing payments market, and we will be pursuing that as well.
Given that there's so much happening at Mint and so many business milestones and product milestones that you're achieving, do you feel that in terms of how the market views Mint, it's an undervalued growth story and there's a long way to go for Mint?
Yes, I think Mint definitely, in our view, is one of the most robust and in-depth technology fintech companies in the Toronto Stock Exchange. I don't think the investors have fully appreciated the significance of what Mint has within the UAE platform, the profile of the company in the very important market in the region, a 400 billion economy, the opportunity that Mint is now being presented with, whereby we are invited to participate in significant bidding opportunities for payments projects within the country. Those softer aspects of what Mint's profile and credibility within the UAE market is not fully reflected in where the company is today in the capital markets. Our job is to change that, and we believe that in the next few months we will continue to make an effort to change that.
And people also need to take note, because FinTech disruption is for real. It's happening right now.
Yes, FinTech is not going to go away. It is a part and parcel of life that almost every industry is going through a disintermediation, a newer business model, all with the goal of adding more value to customers. And Mint is no different, and payment industry is no different. The only difference in payment industry and FinTech is it is a very difficult industry to operate. There is a lot of compliance, governance, government regulations that you have to deal with. Investors tend to underestimate that. Mint is navigating through that complex ecosystem and is way ahead of pretty much most of the competitors that we come across within the public market context.
And lastly, Vishy, what's in the pipeline for the next 12 months at Mint?
Within the UAE, we have a very significant business development and revenue pipeline that we think is going to come about through the launch of our mobile wallet application. We are in the final stages of receiving the approval from the UAE Central Bank. Mint is very well positioned to acquire that approvals very fast, because we are already a certified payments platform, certified by the global organizations like MasterCard and UnionPay. Once we receive those approvals, Mint can rapidly launch all the digital payment products, including the mobile wallet, and that will translate into more revenue per customer and facilitate us to onboard significant number of customers into our platform. Outside of UAE, we already have publicly announced that we have an option to acquire the Indian payments company called VPay. We anticipate to finish the transaction and to invest and to scale that businesses, which we think is a very exciting company in India.
Okay. Vishy, wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.